Where are you trying to go to? Poole.
Where are the keys?
Pardon?
The keys.
The key.
Yeah.
Poole Quay. If you're going there by bus, you can get a Route 1 at 8:25, and that will take you straight to the quay.
Oh, thank you, Mark.
Yeah, it depends. It depends on traffic, really. But if we get there by 20 past, you can make it for the 8:25 bus. Or you could get a Harbour Breeze of 60 to the quay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.